let's start this class. So today's class and how would you make an questions? There is some double-edged words who মানে কে, what মানে কি, whose মানে কার, whom মানে কাকে, when মানে কখন, when মানে কখন বা যখন, how মানে কত বা কিভাবে, how long or how long for কতক্ষণের জন্য, how much মানে কতজন বা কতটা, how many মানে কতগুলি, and where মানে কোথায়, for which কিসের জন্য, what for মানে কি জন্য, in which মানে যার জন্য, and in which মানে যার জন্য, at what time মানে কোন সময়, with whom কার সাথে, and which. And today's class I would like to ask you, what's your name? Tell me.
My name is Samprikta.
Acha, tell me in loud.
My name is Samprikta.
Okay, Samprikta, I just told you the how would you make in questions if there is a, okay, listen guys. So I go to school at 9:30 a.m. This is the sentence. Okay, so have you found any be verb in this sentence? Tell me in loud.
No.
No. So Rifa, what is be verb? Have you any idea about the be verb?
I know verb.
Who knows?
Verb is are, is, was.
Come here.
What?
Come here. So there is a, what's your name? Stand here. What's your name?
My name is Brishti Bishwas.
What?
My name is Brishti Bishwas.
Okay, Bishti Biswas, today actually I just asked you, is there any be verb in this sentence?
In the sentence have no verb.
Yes. In this sentence there is a no be verb. Clear? And but if you make it a question, so how would you make it questions? Do you know?
I know. I understood that. At first, WH word in the sentence. Next, I have do.
I have to do.
I have do. Next, I have be verb and their
I
sentence.
just do be verb. Okay, you sit down. So, Brishti just tell me that there is a no be verb, so I have to take a do verb. Rifa, so if you, I just tell you all of among the students. So I just tell you how would you make it a questions taking the do verb. So there is a no be verb. So students, if you do not get any be verb in the sentence, so you have to take an do verb. So what is do verb? There is do verb, do plus verb 1. There is a go. It's a finite verb. Means main verb. So if you get any main verb, so there would be do. There would be do. Clear? You know, do plus, there is a rule, do plus verb 1 = verb 1. So there is a do also. So if you make it a questions, this sentence, so how would you make it a question? So you can say this: do you go to school at 9:30 a.m.? Okay. So do you go to school at 9:30 a.m.? You can say this. So why you are using this do? Because there is a no be verb, so I have to bring the do verb. Clear? After that, I just ask you, just make a questions with a when. Make a questions and WH. Make a questions with a WH question. WH word. So there is a when. As a time, there is a mentioned time, so you can think about the when. When means কখন. Clear? So here is a when মানে কখন. I just tell you, but I just ask you, how would you make a questions by using when. Is there anyone who can say this?
I know.
Ripa, do you say this? When do you? Tell me.
Go to school at 9 a.m.
When?
When do you go to school at 9:30 a.m.?
9:30 a.m. He just mentioned the time also. But there is a questions in a there is a questions. There is a time. When refer the time, but you do not take here the time also. You tried, okay. That's why I just thank you. So she tried. Okay. Is there anyone who can say this? How do you make in questions? Who? You.
When does you go to school?
When do you?
When do you go to school?
Tell me. Come here. Okay. Tell me. Stand here. What is your name?
My name is Samprikta Khan.
So what is the answer? Tell me.
When does you go to school?
Not does. Actually, there is a verb one.
When do
This is a verb one. Clear? When do you?
go to school?
Okay. And there you do not mention the time. So class, okay, you sit down. You take your seat. So guys, do you understand? All of you say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So he just did it. A good answer. Thank you. So when do you go to school? Clear? Just exclamation, just interrogation mark. So what would be the answer? What would be the answer? Tell me. He just make it a questions from answer, or it's a assertive sentence. He just turn it a interrogative sentence there. So what would be the answer? When do you go to school? School. So what would be the answer? Is there anyone who tell this? Tell me.
I go to school at 9:30.
At 9:30 a.m. So everyone say this. Everyone say this. Yes, when we are speaking this, speaking English in such way, you have to say this. Okay, do you understand? So there is a. I just make it. Okay, I just make it. I make it. He goes to school. He goes to school. He goes to school. Clear? He goes. Yes, here this is yes. Here this is yes. He go to school. Here this is yes. It's a third person singular number. And previous classes I just took in third person singular number. Day 2. You have to follow my YouTube channel. And day 2, there is a day 2 on a third person singular number. What is third person singular number? I just expressed. Okay. So you know third person singular, that's why I just add an es with the be verb. Clear? So he goes to school. So is there any be verb in this sentence? Tell me. Who can say Sonam? Sonam?
Yes.
Where is a be verb?
No.
No, there is a no. What? Be verb. So what would be the answer? Have you think it? Do you think it? What is the answer?
Does he?
Yes. Rifa, come here. Rifa, come on the. Okay. What's your name? Tell me. Come here. Tell
My name
me.
is Rifa Taskin.
Okay. Tell me the answer.
Does he go to
Yes.
Does he go to school?
Yes. He's right. She's right. Does he? But which rule does maintain in this sentence? Tell me. Which
does
rule?
plus verb 1 is equal to verb 1 SES.
SES. Okay. Thank you, Rifa. So put your hands together. So I would like to thank you to Rifa, and it's a very beautiful answer she gave it. Okay, so he just maintained das plus verb one, and yes also. There is a yes also. He just being it a does. So does he go to school? Now, does he go to school at 9:30 a.m.? It's a exclamation. Sorry, it's a interrogative. Okay, I just ask you to do by using, ask you to make it questions by using when. Okay, same way when. Clear? So, you just tell me what is the what would be the answer?
I tell
What?
when he goes to the school.
Tell me loud.
When he goes to the school.
When does he go to? Yes, when does he go to school? When does he goes to go? When does he go to school? Okay, you do not mention the time here. Clear? So he has done it. School. He has done it. He has done it. The next question, he has done it. Make it what? You just answer it by using the what. You just questions is by using the what. What has he done? What? Yes, not it. সে কি কাজটা করেছিল? What he has done? He has done it. He has done his homework. It means homework. You think it. It means homework. Clear? So he has done it. So if I ask by using the what, so what has he done? Clear? What has he done? So there is a no do verb. There is only the be verb. Has is a be verb. Clear? So I just make it by using what has he done. Clear? It is clear. I like to take tea. Make it a questions by using what? What? Tell me. Yes. There is a no be verb. You are right, all of you. So there is a no be verb. So I just bring here and a do. What do you like to take? Clear? The answer is tea. So what do you like to take? Clear? So I have been reading the books for 3 hours. I just ask you, Sonav is the boy who can answer it. Okay, there is a for 3 hours. So how long? So you just make it a questions by using how long. Tell me, Sonav. How long? I have no. You have. Okay. If you get an I, you just make it you. Okay. Just a demo. I just give an example. If you ask your name, so what is your name? I just ask you. I do not ask you what my name is. It is a wrong. So what is your name? You answer me. I am a Rick. My name is Rick. Clear? So why you are using the my name is? But I am a Rick. But when you just got an answer I, so if you want to make it a questions, you have to turn you from I. Do you clear it? Clear? So give me the answer. How long have you been reading? Yes, it is the answer. How long have you been reading? For. No. How long? It's a for. Okay. So what would be the answer? I have been reading the book for 3 hours. Is it clear? What?
Some question.
What questions?
You
Tell me loud.
you learn spoken English. You learn spoken English. So I started the spoken English in the our class.
Okay, come here. I do not hear you. Come here. Come here. Okay, guys. Stay. Okay, tell me. Come here. Stand here. Okay, what do you want to say?
I say that you learn spoken English today, so
Yeah.
I can start spoken English today.
Can I? Okay, not. It's a. You can ask. You just. Can I ask a spoken English today? No. It's a first basic class in a spoken English. So I just scheduled this class the next. Clear? You have to wait to take the next class. Okay. Okay, take your seat. Okay, thank you. So, all of us students, have you any problem? So, how would I make in questions and answer? It's a very needful to you. So, is there anyone who have any problem? No? No or yes? Okay, done. So today I just I'd like to say this. Please revise yourself, and when you just want to talk each other, you should use this English language. Don't use a other language except English. Whenever and when you talk each other or among at your home, it may be you just want to speak at your home with your parents, you just use an English language. If you revise yourself, so you are able to speak English and next. Clear? So, tada.